We have a distressed PC here. Her name is Delaney. She's full of Trojan viruses. We think it could be a terminal illness.
I mean, look at her screen. She's freezing. I believe the HP over there downloaded that same virus.
We gave him the usual name brand software, but he's experiencing severe side effects, like low CPU, and random pop-ups too, saying upgrade or die.
At least the license key for that software expires next year. What do you recommend for Delaney?
This new software called Easy Boost. It can fix DLL issues that cause crashes, errors, and freezes. Plus, it removes viruses.
Any side effects?
It may give your PC a battery life lasting more than 4 hours. But let me show you how it works. When it first gets into the PC's system, it does a full scan for any problems. Then you can see an overview of the PC's health and fix the errors. Next, it can do a deep scan on the PC for any viruses and removes them with one click.
Wow! What else can it do?
It can repair missing or corrupted DLLs, back up and restore files. Then it has a whole suite of tools like File Undelete, Absolute Uninstaller, Startup Manager, and a lot more.
That sounds like a great security software. Why is it called Easy Boost?
I almost forgot. There is Active Boost Up mode, which works in the background to optimize Delaney's settings for the fastest speed.
Performance enhancing and antivirus? Sounds like she'll need a prescription.
I think you mean subscription. And actually, Easy Boost includes a lifetime license, so she'll never have to subscribe.
Then what are we waiting for? We can download it now at easelink.com/easyboost.